Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, so let's tap on them and here scroll a little bit to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and as you can see, we are looking for this first option, phone ringtone, which is divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool option because you can simply set different ringtone for the first one and different for another. So let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions, and as you can see here, you can pick the ringtone for the first and the second SIM card. It does not really matter, I will do it for the first one. Right here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option none, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of ringtone, any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call from the first SIM card. You can also pick music on device or video ringtones. Basically, if you will have anything downloaded, then it will appear right there and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. Alright, in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me tap on it. And basically this is it, so you can check all of them, and if you will decide that you want to set this particular ringtone, oh my god, let me volume it down. For example, this wood dance in my case, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call from the first SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.